Hi everyone, welcome you all to my online class of e-commerce. In last video we discussed about the e-commerce security and encryption. In today's video we are going to discuss the rest part of the e-commerce security and encryption, that is encryption part. Encryption. So let's get started. This topic start with encryption. In last video we had already discussed about the security, so let's start with the encryption. Encryption is defined procedure of converting normal text into ciphertext. Once completed, this makes it impossible for someone to read, scan, understand, or interpret the original data until it is decrypted back into its original state. This allows the secure and safe exchange of data between companies and even individual to company without the risk of someone in the middle encrypting this data and using it in a harmful or illegal sense. Once the data has been encrypted, only the person who has originally encrypted the data or the recipient who has been provided the decryption key bring plain text or a data into ciphertext that cannot be read by anyone other than sender and receiver. So, why we need to do encryption is secured stored information and information transmission. Why we provide encryption? Because of message integrity, non-denial authentication, and confidentiality. So next one is symmetric key encryption. In today's world, there is an ever-present risk of unauthorized access to all forms of data. Most of risk is financial and payment system. Data can be exposed the personal identifying information or payment card details of a customer and client. So there is a highly risk of hacking, so we use a symmetric key encryption. So symmetric key encryption is a type of encryption where only one key is used to both encrypt and decrypt electronic information. The entities communicating via symmetric encryption must exchange the key so that it can be used in the decryption process. The encryption methods differ from asymmetric encryption, where a pair of keys, one public and one private, is used to encrypt and decrypt messages. By using symmetric encryption algorithms, data is converted to a form that cannot be understood by anyone who does not processes the secret key of to decrypt it. There are two types of symmetric encryption algorithm. First one is block algorithm is set lengths of bits are encrypted in a block of electronic data with the use of a specific secret key. As the data is being encrypted, the system holds the data in its memory as it waits to complete blocks. Now, the stream algorithm is data is encrypted as it streams instead of being retained in the symmetric memory in a system's memory. So example of asymmetric key encryption is AES, advanced encryption standard, and DES, data encryption standard, etc. So we are going to discuss the public key encryption. Public key cryptography solves symmetric key encryption problem of having to exchange secret key. Uses two mathematically related digital keys, that is public key and a private key. Public key means widely disseminated and a private key मतलब kept secret by owner. Both private key and public key are used to encrypt and decrypt messages. Once key is is used to encrypt messages, same key cannot be used to decrypt messages. So they divided it in a two keys, that is public key and a private key. Without these keys we can't encrypt or decrypt the messages. So next one is digital envelopes. Address weakness of a public key encryption, computationally slow, decreases transmission speed, increases processing time, and symmetric key encryption, faster but more secure. Uses symmetric key encryption to encrypt document, but public key encryption to encryption in e-commerce. In next topic in a next session we discuss the rest of the syllabus. We had already completed our syllabus in e-commerce. So that's all. Thank you.